Well, here we are at the Swindon Railway Museum here, and we have City of Truro here. I believe this is here for 5 years. As with other engines here, there we are. Designed by George Jackson Churchward, and Churchward was a chief mechanical engineer for Great Western Railway from 1902 till 1922. There we are. This is the 2000th locomotive to be built at Swindon. There we are. Now, in 1904, the City of Truro claimed to be the first steam locomotive to reach over 100 miles an hour, travelling between Plymouth and London Paddington, hauling the ocean mails special. The City of Truro was timed, taking 8.8 seconds to travel a quarter of a mile. This is equal to 102.3 miles an hour. There we are. The locomotive was retired in 1931. The engine's speedy blast ensured its preservation as a museum piece. City of Truro was returned to Heritage Railway Service and continued operating until 2011. There we are, built in 2003, length of service 28 years, maximum speed 100 miles an hour, total port 20, and there's only one left. There we are. A literary star there. Appeared in 2 Thomas the Tank Engine books. There we are. So there we are. Swindon Railway Museum, with the past brought to life here. This once major employer here.